How to log into your Huntington Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Huntington Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference, and in the web address bar simply type in Huntington Bank. After that, tap on the first link, which is huntington.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of Huntington Bank, where on the right side of the screen you can see the login box. Simply enter your username, your password, and once you tap on the option login, you will be successfully logged in or signed in to your Huntington Bank's online banking account. But in any case, if you forgot your username, you can simply reset or recover it by tapping the option forgot username, and similarly with the password, you can simply tap on the option forgot password. But if you are not yet enrolled to online banking services of Huntington Bank, you can simply enroll to online banking services by tapping the option enroll now. So that was basically how you log into your Huntington Bank. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.